I'm Shannon and I'm studying motor vehicle mechanics at Kirklees College. There were two local colleges that did the course that I was looking at doing, and Kirklees College had the best facilities for training, and it seemed like I had heard really good reviews about it as well. I've learnt loads of stuff on my course. It's a brilliant supplement to learn about the things that you can't see in cars, so videos and the wealth of knowledge from the teachers as well is insane. The tutors have helped me progress on my course by always being there at the end of an email, end of a phone call. If there's anything I'm struggling with at work, I can always come to college and ask them about it, and they're always happy to help. My favourite part of college has been meeting my peers here. Great group of guys and girls to work with. The facilities, we've got ramps, we've got all different variety of motor vehicles to be working on. Fabulous equipment. After college, I'm hoping to continue training at the place that I am now, hopefully studying for my senior technicians and master technicians. I'd recommend Kirklees College because the facilities are amazing. You can definitely learn a lot here.